We're giving this classic Tres Leches cake a summery twist with a double dose of strawberry. An oven-roasted strawberry syrup and freeze-dried strawberries blended right into the milk mixture. We are going to need 2 pounds, yes 2 pounds of strawberries. That's 2 regular-sized containers typically found in grocery stores. It seems like a lot, but they cook down quite a bit when we roast them. Wash and quarter large strawberries and halve smaller ones. If they're really small, you can leave them whole. Sprinkle with 3 to 4 tablespoons of sugar depending on how sweet your strawberries are. If your strawberries aren't that sweet, you can add a little more sugar. Sprinkle a little bit of salt and toss everything together. Roast in a 400-degree oven for about 20 minutes, stirring once about halfway through. The strawberries should be soft and the juices will thicken slightly. Once cooled, strain the juice from the berries and reserve your syrup for the milk mixture. We will use the roasted strawberries to top our tres leches. For the milk mixture, combine 1 12-ounce can of evaporated milk, 3/4 of a cup of sweetened condensed milk, and the strawberry syrup. You can add more sweetened condensed milk if you want it sweeter. Tres Leches recipes typically add a whole 14-ounce can, which is about 1 1/4 cups. But I use less because the strawberry syrup will add extra sweetness to the milk mixture. The syrup adds a very subtle strawberry flavor, so I wanted to elevate that strawberry flavor even more by adding 3 to 4 tablespoons of freeze-dried strawberries that I've pulverized into a powder. To prevent the freeze-dried strawberries from clumping, I quickly blend it with the whole milk. Add that to the rest of your milk mixture and leave it in the refrigerator until you're ready to use it. Combine all your dry ingredients for the sponge cake and set aside. Next, in a metal bowl, whisk together your eggs and sugar. Then, over a pot of simmering water, gently heat up your eggs until they are warm to the touch and you can no longer feel sugar granules. Make sure the water doesn't touch the bottom of the bowl and it's on a very gentle simmer. Remove the bowl from the heat and whisk on medium-high speed. I like to use my mixing bowl so I can just move it directly to the mixer when it's ready. After about 8 minutes, your eggs should be really light and fluffy. Now sift in about half of your flour mixture and mix for about 5 or 6 seconds. Then stream in 2 tablespoons of whole milk and add 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract and stop as soon as everything is mixed in. Remove your bowl from the mixer and gently fold in your remaining flour until you no longer see streaks. I'm baking my cake in an 8 by 8 inch pan. You can use 9 by 9, but the cake will be shorter and you will need to reduce the baking time. If you're using a 9 by 13 pan, you will probably want to double the recipe and increase baking time. Bake until a toothpick comes out clean, and do not open the oven door before it's ready. This can cause the cake to deflate. Let your cake cool completely. Poke holes in your cake so the milk will absorb more evenly. Using a fork might be a better option for this. Release the sides as well so that the milk can get in all the cracks and crevices. Evenly pour your milk mixture over the cake. Cover the cake and refrigerate it for several hours or overnight. Trust me, the cake actually tastes better the next day. After you've given the cake time to absorb all that milk, we can finish it off with our roasted strawberries and whipped cream.